Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Today I'm sharing a card I made using two different paper collections from Paper Rose. First I have Nature, and I'll be using this brownish distressed paper. And I'll also be using one of the sheets from Watercolour Neutrals, this lovely gray pattern design. I think the two collections work well together. I do love making pink sparkly cards, but sometimes it's nice to use some more gender neutral colors. I'll also be using Paper Rose's Wood Panels 3D embossing folder. I love the detail from this embossing folder. It's so nice. So I've already gone ahead and embossed the pattern paper from the Nature collection, and you could add a little more distressed look if you use a couple shims. So you can see I have some of the torn edge because I really wanted that distressed look. And I'll be layering this panel on some brown cardstock. I did put some double-sided tape on the back of this pattern paper piece. Just want to make sure it's going to adhere nicely since it is all embossed. So my card is an American Standard A2 size card, 5.5 inches by 4.25 inches. The background pattern paper panel is 5 3/8 inch by 4 1/8 inch, and I just added an additional 1/8 of an inch for that cardstock layer. I'll also be using the Cog Track border metal dies from Paper Rose, and this is where I brought in that Watercolor Neutral collection and cut out all of these little gears. I think the gray and brown work really nicely together since it's more of a warm gray. The Watercolor Neutral collection has warm and cool grays, so I think that's really nice. Now I did decide to add some thin foam dimension to the back of most of the gears. I did have to cut down those foam pieces to fit inside all these little areas on those die cuts, but I wanted to have them pop up just a little bit. Once I remove all the release paper, I can start attaching all of the gears to the card. I'll be putting 3 of them in the upper right hand corner and 2 in the lower left hand corner. And I'll overlap a couple of them. So I have that largest gear on first. Now I'll add the second one, and I'll put just a little bit of liquid adhesive on the area where it's going to overlap that other gear. This smallest gear, I'm not going to pop that one up, I just glued it down directly. For the sentiment on the card, I'll be adding the word hey. I cut out the letters using Paper Rose's Alphabet 1-inch dies, and I use that same brown cardstock from that background layer. I popped these up as well. I have some foam tape on the back. So I'm just going to remove all the release paper, and I'm not going to put them in a straight row. Instead, they're going to go at a slight angle. With all the straight lines from the wood panel embossing folder, I think that adds a little extra interest to put them at that angle. I'll also be adding the word there. This is from Paper Rose's Hello stamp set. So I stamped this on some very similar matching brown cardstock. I used some brown ink and I just adhered it underneath the letter E. I kept all of those little circle pieces from that larger gear and decided to use them as embellishments. So I'm adding them around the gears and also one to the right of the sentiment. Then to finish off the card, I'll also add a few brown crystals. I'll put a couple of them in the upper left hand corner and then sprinkle a few of them around the sentiment. And that'll add just a little extra sparkle. I think even with the crystals for embellishments, this still works as a masculine card, although it could be great for a feminine card as well if they really like that industrial look. Just trying to decide where to place those last crystals. I'm using an embellishment wand to pick up the crystals since they don't have adhesive on the back. Just adding a drop of Barely Art liquid glue and then pressing those crystals in place. And there is my finished card. I love how this one turned out. It has a lot of texture. I did make a second similar card. I changed out the sentiment so I could have a card for my dad for Father's Day. He watches a lot of my videos and I didn't want to give him a card that he'd already seen in my videos. I do have links provided in the description box if you are interested in any of the products I used in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.